Hello everyone. When we start exercising and dieting, the weights seem to melt off. But we will hit that point where the last few pounds of belly fat just don't want to live. Turns out there could be a few factors contributing to the last layer of fat on without you even realizing it. In this video, I am going to share the 29 reasons why your belly fat is still there. You can make some changes in your diet and lifestyle for effective results. Watch the video till the end. Number 1. You don't get a full night's sleep. Your sleep pattern has an influence on every aspect of your health, and your weight is no exception. Research conducted by Harvard University found that there is a major link between sleep and weight gain. One study the university noted found that women who slept less than 7 hours a night were 15% more at risk for obesity than those who had a full night's sleep. 2. You eat the wrong fats. Avoiding foods like avocado or nuts because they are high in fat is not necessarily a good thing. That's because these foods are filled with healthy fats like omega-3 and monounsaturated fatty acids, which help with weight regulation and heart health. This is much healthier than the saturated fats found in baked and fried foods, which is harmful to your heart as well as to your weight. 3. You sit down for most of the day. If you work an office job, you may not get as much activity during the day as you should. Try to find ways to move around in a sedentary setting. Take the stairs, walk to the nearest cafe instead of ordering takeout for lunch, and try biking to and from work instead of driving. Any activity during the day counts. Number 4. You are not putting enough vegetables on your plate. Even if you are making healthier choices, you may not be eating as many veggies you need to. Vegetables are nutrient-dense and packed with fiber, which will fill you up without overloading on calories. 5. You eat salty food. Excess salt in your diet can do some major damage to your weight loss journey. A study conducted by Queen Mary University of London showed that every excess gram of salt you consume each day can increase your risk of obesity by 25%. So lay off the chips and fries and reach for some low salt snack alternatives like hummus and veggies. 6. You drink diet soda. Diet soda, which has fewer calories and sugar than its regular counterpart, to be healthier for you. But it is actually one of the bad habits that will give you stubborn belly fat due to its dangerous side effects. First off, researchers at the University of Texas Health Science Center monitored 470 adults for 10 years and found that those who drank diet soda had a 70% increase in waist circumference compared to with those who did not drink any soda. And participants who drank more than 2 diet sodas a day suffered 500% waist expansion. So ditch diet soda altogether. You are eating too much protein. Protein is a key macronutrient for losing weight, but too much can do more harm than it can do good. In fact, a Spanish study found that over a 6-year period, participants who ate a high protein diet were 90% more likely to gain over 10% of their original body weight in comparison to those who ate less protein. So when it comes to how to lose stubborn belly, maybe cut back on the animal protein and eat more plants. You are stressed out. Stress can be also a huge factor when it comes to weight gain. According to a findings published in the journal Obesity Research, first up, when we are stressed or depressed, many of us reach for our favorite comfort foods such as a tube of ice cream or a bag of potato chips, right? We lose control of our dietary habits, which leads to overeating and consumption of excess calories that will be stored as fat. Another reason for stress-induced weight gain is because cortisol, a stress hormone, is secreted more when you are stressed. This hormone promotes excess weight to be stored as belly fat and also leads to increased cravings for more salty and fatty foods. You are eating out every night. Eating at restaurants and fast food joints every night is one of the reasons you have stubborn belly fat. These foods tend to have more fat and salt in comparison to lighter meals you can make at home. Instead of going to your local burger joint, try making a burger at home instead. Number 10. You do not have enough magnesium in your diet. One of the most forgotten minerals in diets is magnesium. It is an essential nutrient for weight loss since it regulates insulin function, which allows your body to convert glucose into energy. Magnesium can be found in dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale, as well as dark chocolate and pumpkin seeds. 11. You don't eat nuts. Nuts are a great addition to your diet. Dieters tend to stray from nuts because of their high fat content, but they actually contain good fats, omega-3 fatty acids that can help you shed your pounds. They also help lower cholesterol levels. You are a social media addict. Staring at a phone for hours on end in your bed is definitely not doing any favors for your body. You are wasting precious time that can be used to go outside and be active, and a study published by Pediatric Obesity found that students with access to one electronic device in their bedrooms were 1.47 times as likely to be overweight in comparison to those with no device in their bedroom. Number 13. You don't practice mindful eating. Eating mindfully can do wonders to get rid of stubborn belly fat. Mindful eating is when you focus on every aspect of eating and putting a focus on the sensations brought by every bite of your food. We have a tendency to eat while we are distracted by our phones or other devices, which causes us to overeat. According to Harvard Medical School, practicing mindful eating can actually help slim your figure and has been used as a treatment tool for those with binge eating disorders. 14. You are eating whey. Whey has a tendency to cause bloat, especially if you are lactose intolerant, since it is made from cow's milk. To avoid this painfully annoying bloat, try going for plant-based protein powders and foods. Some brands have almost as much muscle building and hunger killing protein as whey, but are better for sensitive tummies. Number 15. Large meals per day. Contrary to popular belief, eating large quantities of food 3 times per day is not always the best choice for your waistline. The main problem with this way of eating is that while you still can lose weight while doing it right, it may not be the best move for your metabolism. A study published in the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that eating more frequent smaller meals a day can help control hunger and lower cravings, which can lead to weight loss. To switch things up, try reducing the size of your meals and have some healthy snacks like nuts and fruit if you are still hungry in between meals. Number 16. You have not switched to whole grains. Eating refined carbs that are found in white breads and baked goods spike your blood sugar and cause weight gain. So you are better off switching to whole grains if you are looking to get rid of stubborn belly fat. On top of having more flavor, whole grains have been proven to help regulate body weight according to the Journal of Nutrition because of their higher fiber content. Fibers helps regulate your digestive tract, and whole grains are packed with vitamins and minerals that will keep your body fit and running smoothly. Number 17. You are eating low-fat or fat-free dairy. Although full-fat dairy has more calories and obviously more fat than its skim counterparts, it actually is not a worse choice for your weight loss goals. According to the European Journal of Epidemiology, the journal analyzed 29 different studies and found that whole-fat dairy products do not have a significant difference to your health when compared to lower-fat dairy products. The researchers stated that overall any dairy product has a neutral effect on your health. Full-fat dairy products may be the better choice as they fill you up for longer than skim or low-fat dairy and help your body absorb more of the fat-soluble vitamins that many dairy products are fortified with. Reason number 18. You are eating the wrong proteins. All meats have protein in them, but some are fattier than others. Red meats like beef and lamb have a higher fat content than leaf meats like turkey and chicken. You get your take for the day without consuming excess amounts of fat. Try sticking to leaner meats like poultry and fish. 19. You never do yoga. Yoga is not only a great form of exercise, but it also helps with stress and teaches you tactics for mindful eating. According to a study conducted by the Journal of the American Dietetic Association, people who practice yoga tend to be more mindful eaters in comparison to those who do other forms of exercise. Your meals are not colorful. If your dinner plate is only beans, chances are you have not put enough veggies on it. Vegetables are a crucial part of everyone's diet, and colorful medley of them on your plate will give you a different variety of vitamins and minerals you need in a balanced diet. 21. You never let yourself indulge. Restricting yourself of any indulgence can actually cause your whole diet to backfire. A study published in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine found that calorie-restricting diets can actually lead to long-term weight gain due to an increase in the stress hormone cortisol. This fat-storing hormone spikes due to the psychological stress from constantly saying no to the dessert you want to badly. 22. You are not eating enough. Some dieters get so caught up in being thin that they heavily restrict the number of calories they eat, or even turn to going the whole day without eating. Going on these dangerously restrictive diets can actually slow down your metabolism and cause pounds to burn off slower. So remember to stay on the healthy track of balanced diet and exercise. You have an unhealthy relationship with the scale. If you step on the scale multiple times a day, chances are that you are going to drive yourself insane with trying to get that number lower. After all, your weight is naturally higher at certain points of the day thanks to water weight. So that does not necessarily reflect your weight loss progress. But ditch the scale completely and you will lose track of your progress. Researchers at Cornell University found that weighing yourself just once a day can help tip those numbers down without making you lose your sanity. 24. You drink juice. All juice, even the 100% natural ones, have high amounts of sugar. One serving of apple juice can contain 24 grams of sugar, which is nearly half of the daily recommended sugar intake per the FDA. Juice also lack fiber, one of the key components to a whole fruit's nutritional. You are doing the wrong workout. Contrary to popular belief, you can't spot target fat loss. Your body more or less decides on its own where the fat is going to be shed from. But you can strengthen certain parts of your body. Both cardio and strengthening can help you shed pounds. So it is important to perform a combination of both. Touch calories with cardio like running and strengthen your abdominals with ab workouts like planks, crunches and mountain climbers. 26. You drink too much beer. It is called a beer belly for a reason. A study published in the journal Current Obesity Reports showed that while light to moderate drinking did not affect weight significantly, heavy drinking can lead to obesity. Plus, heavy beers usually have more calories and empty carbs than red wine or clear liquor. So put that extra beer down and grab a glass of red wine or better yet sparkling water instead. 27. You don't balance diet and exercise. Focusing on one over the other is not a reasonable compromise and will only slow down the process of weight loss. Think about it. Eating a slice of chocolate cake after a workout is only going to add those calories you burned off back into your body. And only eating salads without working out could lead to weight loss. But your muscles are not getting the necessary workout, they need to be strong and toned. Lean muscle burn more calories at rest than fat. Your body needs a balance of both diet and exercise. So make sure you are incorporating the pair into your daily lifestyle. Your workouts are too easy. If you are not sweating, you are not working out hard enough. Doing the same workout over and over again without making it more intense will not give your body the push it needs to get stronger. Instead of a regular exercise class day in and day out, try switching it off and exploring another workout such as spin class, Zumba, CrossFit or boot camp. 29. You are getting older. This time you actually can blame your age on your weight. Your metabolism begins to slow down as you get older. And according to researchers of the National Institute of Health, an overactive enzyme actually promotes weight gain in middle-aged people. This enzyme can actually lead to obesity and makes it harder for people within this age range to lose weight. The best way to combat this is to try and keep up with a healthy balance of diet and exercise.